Hey guys, I have another Life Cycles book for you today. Yesterday we read Egg to Chicken. Today we're going to read Caterpillar to Butterfly. Caterpillar to Butterfly. And it has a table of contents. So we know that it's probably true. That means it's non-fiction. That means like not fake. What is a butterfly? A butterfly is a type of insect. Insects have 3 pairs of legs, making 6 legs altogether. That means they have 3 on this side and 3 on this side. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The wings of a butterfly are covered in many tiny scales. The scales are usually patterned and colored. It shows right here, you can see it a little better. Insect bodies are divided into 3 parts. The head is the front part and has the eyes and the mouth. The thorax is the middle part where the legs and the wings are attached. The abdomen is the back part where the insect digests its food. It shows right here, you can see the abdomen, the thorax, and the head. The story of a butterfly. Butterflies flutter around the plants. Female butterflies look for a place to lay their eggs. The eggs will hatch into caterpillars. Later, the caterpillars will change into butterflies. And this has a little, it says, a butterfly has 4 stages in its life cycle. There's stage 1. That's the egg. Stage 2, that's the caterpillar. Stage 3 is the pupa. This is called a chrysalis. That's the thing that the caterpillar went in. And stage 4, when he comes out, he's going to be a beautiful butterfly. The story of how an egg grows into an adult butterfly is called a life cycle. A new life begins. In spring, a female butterfly, do you remember what a female is? Is it a boy or is it a girl? I hope you said girl. A female butterfly searches for somewhere safe to lay her eggs. She lays them under the leaves where they are hidden from view. Monarch butterflies lay their eggs on milkweed plants. The eggs stick to the leaves. And it shows, this is a monarch butterfly. These are the milkweed. And this shows you that under these leaves, there's her eggs. Different types of butterfly lay their eggs on different plants. Peacock butterflies choose nettles. These plants have stinging hairs. The stings stop animals from eating the nettles and the eggs. Nettles are a safe place for peacock butterflies to lay their eggs. And this is a peacock butterfly. It almost looks like he has eyes. That kind of makes other animals scared to eat him. The eggs hatch. A few days later, the eggs hatch and a tiny yellow caterpillar comes out of each one. Caterpillars spend most of their time eating, so they grow quickly. Monarch caterpillars become striped as they grow older. As a caterpillar grows, its skin becomes too tight and splits. The caterpillar sheds its skin, revealing a new one underneath. This is called molting. A caterpillar is also known as a larva. When a caterpillar molts, it wriggles out of its old skin. So, here's the first stage, stage 1, right there. Then, stage 2, you see the caterpillar? Stage 3. He's still a caterpillar. Stage 4. Now we're going to turn it over. Whoops. There's stage 5. Stage 5. Still a caterpillar. Staying alive. Caterpillars are soft and juicy, so lots of other animals want to eat them. Many caterpillars have special ways of staying alive. Monarch caterpillars are bad to eat. Their stripes warn animals that they are poisonous. The monarch caterpillar's poison comes from the milkweed plants that it eats. Many caterpillars are green, so they blend in with their surroundings. This is called camouflage. Some caterpillars have sharp spines on their bodies. A green caterpillar is a green, and on a green leaf can be hard to see. See, that one's green, so if he's on a green leaf, he's going to be hard to see. And this one's spiky, so you probably wouldn't want to pick him up, would you? Making a pupa. Caterpillars grow fast. After about 14 days, a caterpillar is ready to change into a pupa. This is the next stage of its life cycle. Stage 1, a caterpillar makes a silk thread and uses it to hang from a leaf. So here's a caterpillar. He's going to make a silk thread and he's going to hang from a leaf. Stage 2, he molts for one last time. Remember, that means he gets rid of his skin. Then it spins a pupa around itself. See, it spun it around there. The caterpillar's inside. It's almost like a sleeping bag now. 4, the pupa is tough on the outside to protect the insect on the inside. So this is pretty tough now. 5, inside the pupa, the caterpillar gradually changes. And this is called a chrysalis. A pupa is usually green or gray, so it is difficult to see on a plant. That is another example of camouflage. A butterfly appears. After about 2 weeks, the pupa of the monarch butterfly becomes darker in color. The orange wings of the butterfly can be seen inside. So see, this used to be green, and now it's starting to change colors, and you can kind of see the butterfly wing inside there. The pupa cracks open. The butterfly crawls out. It sits on the empty pupa case. Then it spreads its wings so they can dry. See right here, it's getting out. Right there, it's out, but it's wet. If you touch its wings, it can hurt it. It's really wet. Now it sits there for a while, and then its wings get dry. And then they're all dry, and it can get ready to fly away. It has to rest for a few hours before it can fly. An adult butterfly does not grow anymore. Male and female monarchs look similar, but males have small dark spots on their back wings. Butterfly life. Butterflies flutter around searching for food in grassy and woodland areas, or places where there are flowers. All butterflies feed on sweet, sugary nectar that they find inside flowers. So butterflies are kind of like you. They like sugar. The female lays her eggs one at a time. Once the female butterfly lays her eggs, a new life cycle begins. Adults usually live only 2 to 5 weeks. So that's not very long. A long journey. As the summer comes to an end, monarch butterflies start an amazing journey called migration. They fly to warmer places. The journey can cover thousands of miles and takes more than 2 months. Millions of monarch butterflies spend the winter resting on trees. See, they're living on trees. That's butterflies, lots of butterflies. In spring, the butterflies set off to their summer homes. On the way, they lay eggs. Their young change into butterflies and continue the journey. The monarch butterflies wake up when warm weather arrives. And warm weather is arriving, so I want you guys to keep your eye out and look and see if you can spot a monarch butterfly like this. Keep an eye out for a butterfly like that, and you'll know that he used to be a caterpillar. So isn't that interesting? An egg inside of an egg turns into a chicken, and a caterpillar turns into a butterfly. Very cool. All right, guys. Bye. Look for a monarch butterfly. They're coming soon.